Number 10, Manila. 9, Bacolod. 8, Iloilo. 7, Baguio. 6, Davao. 5, Tagaytay. 4, Puerto Princesa. 3, Quezon City. And 2, Makati City.
And at number 1, ang nanguna ang pinaka-most livable, lovable city in the Philippines, Cebu! We love you!
Even before the Spaniards came in 1521, Cebu was already flourishing. Fast forward to the present, when the Queen City of the South is already a thriving, highly urbanized city that comes second to Manila's bustling metropolis.
It preserved its character. Hindi niya binubura yung what makes it Cebu City, no? So kapag nasa Cebu City ka, alam mo nang nakikita mo yung landmarks niya, the public open spaces are also there. Kompleto, may have a major airport, and then just a few minutes away, nandun yung mga beaches.
Cebu is very tight. Streets are narrow, but there is some quaintness in narrow streets. But Cebu has grown to be a really nice metropolis. It's like Manila in a smaller scale.
Top universities are also in Cebu. Healthcare is good. It's easy to navigate the city. No? So magandang tirhan yung Cebu.
Did you know that there used to be an urban beach in the metro? Well, that's according to one of our panelistas.
Yan yung nawala sa Manila, no? Yung malungkot na nangyari sa Manila. Metro Manila used to have beach resorts. And then yung Pasay at saka yung Parañaque Beach na ngayon ay reclaim na, no? But those were actually our beach resorts. At pumupuntang mga turista, mga dayuhan dito sa Pilipinas para bumisita doon sa mga beach resorts natin. Yun yung nawala sa Metro Manila, yung mga urban beaches or beaches near the city, which Cebu has.
In what areas can Cebu still improve on?
One of those common downsides is the lack of a public transportation system that, can take people around. No? We need that public transportation that the rich and the poor will be encouraged to use. No? Para nga mabawasan yung mga sasakyan sa daan. No?
Yes, there are a lot of potential, but I think they're challenged with too much politics also. That's a challenge, yeah. But the private sector is very active in Cebu.
Tuwan-tuwa ako doon sa sa character niya, na preserve niya yung heritage buildings niya, buhay na buhay. Kasi yan yung one thing about a city is a city should have character, no? And yan yung gustong-gusto ko sa Cebu, buhay na buhay pa rin yung character niya.